Happy Friday, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Traders Club, where we find you the best daily trade setups. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Every single day, we're dropping the best setups right here on YouTube. And if you want live trade updates, we have a link to our Discord down below. We're going to get started with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin yesterday just printed a sell signal on the daily chart. So we're expecting to see some significant downside action. You can see here on the 2-hour chart, it has found some support on this trend line here. And if we take a look up on the top top left chart, this is the weekly chart, and it's called both 60,000 highs on Bitcoin and told you to sold. This is a trading indicator that we're working on right now. We're trying to continue to backtest and also test this on not only crypto but stocks to make sure that this works for all different types of trading pairs and currencies. If you're interested in seeing this, please follow us on Discord. The link's down below, and we'll be sharing that with our community in the coming weeks. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Moving over to Ethereum, it just broke this trend line here. It has a little bit of resistance around $1,500. If it breaks through there, the next spot it would go is around $1,350. Zooming out. So I'll just zoom out really quick so you guys can see on the daily what it's been kind of trading within this wedge. So I am expecting to see more downside to around 1350, as I stated. I did also print a sell signal, just like Bitcoin did. So we'll keep you posted on that, which all of these other trades really go off of what Bitcoin and Ethereum do. So taking a look at render, this had, I think, about a 45% move to the downside. We're watching it right now for a potential long, just for a quick 10%, 11% gain on this trade. So the entry would be around $1.36. Very tight stop on this, because if it does break through this again, we could see some more downside. There's quite a bit of support at $1.20, or somewhere around there, $1.14 at the very low. So you want to make sure that you have that stop that's pretty tight. If it breaks through this trend line, could see that 10% quick scalp. All right, next is Fantom. Fantom is another one that retested this trend line. We took it for a pretty good profit on this. It's finding support right here at about 44 cents, but if we zoom out, there's more support at 42 cents where we'd be looking to get a potential long to break through and get another 10% on this trade, potentially more. We'll see kind of what Bitcoin is doing, and if it's kind of leveled off a little bit and gives us some stability, we could see even more gains on this trade. Next one, we took a short, if you watched our video yesterday, on Link, right at the top of this channel, and area of resistance at $7.77. Rode that down for a nice 11% profit. And now we're looking for a potential long opportunity. Not all the way back up to the channel, possibly, we'll see. Link has been pretty strong this entire time. And so given what Bitcoin does, this one could definitely go back up to that point of resistance, have another 10-12% profit on that trade. Next, we're going to take a look at Decentraland. So zooming out, Decentraland yesterday just broke through this channel it's been trading in. So what I'm expecting it to do is come back up to this trend line and then see more rejection to the downside. So somewhere around 71 or 72 cents is a place that we'd be looking to get in. We'll post in the Discord if we do end up taking this trade. Next is Polygon. Polygon is remaining extremely strong, even after the massive move that Bitcoin had yesterday. It only saw about, I think, 10% down, and now it's right back up to pretty close to where it was yesterday. There's some pretty heavy resistance around $1.32, so watching what it's going to be doing there. Could continue to see more downside to this channel, but again, like I said, this one's been pretty strong, so we're just watching it right now. We'll keep you posted what we do. Next one is Cardano. Beautiful trade off of this trend line, just broke to the downside. This can continue to go down to our profit area at 15% at 33 cents, or it might see some upward action depending on what Bitcoin does before getting rejected again. Cosmos is looking for another retest of this trend line before seeing some downside action. Looking for a 20% move on this trade. So zooming out, you can see that there's quite a bit of support around $11.40. That's probably where we'd end up taking profits if this continues to move to the downside. There's actually quite a few trade setups just like this today, so we'll run through them really quick. We have Zilliqa, which is the same pattern, broke through this trend line, coming back up to test for another good shorting opportunity. Binance broke the trend line and was rejected off of this resistance line here. And as it's breaking through, I still think there's more room to go around $288 where we would be taking profits on this. CRO, crypto.com, expecting it to come back up to this trend line, retest before getting further rejection around 79 cents, 79 or 80 cents. And then Netvrk, it's been trading within this channel pretty good. And so we'd be expecting it to come down to the bottom side of this channel around 19.5 cents. Probably not going to take this one all the way back up. We'll see what happens. Maybe around 15% target profit, around 22.5 cents. Theta, again, looks like the other trades we took a look at. Broke through this trend line. Now we're expecting a retest before seeing more downward action. And the final one of the day is Harmony. Broke through this trend line. Both of these, this channel and this trend line moving up, expecting it to come back up to around 45 cents about before seeing some more downside action to about 21 cents. Looking for a 17% profit on this trade. So that's it for today. Have a good Friday.